comes to everyday carry bags, if I remember to take a diaper bag with me when I leave the house, that's pretty much all I need to survive. Diapers and wipes, that's pretty much what I need to make it through the day. But a diaper bag, it's not what we're here to talk about today. Today I want to talk about an everyday carry bag and the kind of things that I carry in an EDC bag. So kind of my thought behind an EDC bag is the same as the things that go in my pockets. I only want a bag to have the stuff that is really useful to me and things that I'm actually going to use. So that's going to look different for every person, and it looks different for me depending on the situation I'm in and where I'm going that day. So I really like sling style bags, and I've gone through a few different types of sling style bags. I've got a few bags from Hazard 4. I used a Hazard 4 Plan B bag, which is a very small bag, and a Hazard 4 switchback bag. This is a Hazard 4 Diagonal Defense Courier bag. I wanted to get away from the tactical looking bag. I got this, this is a Vertx Commuter Sling. This is probably my favorite EDC everyday kind of sling bag. This is the Commuter Sling 1.0. There is a 2.0 version now, and at some point I'll do a video just kind of a review of this bag. I'd like to get the 2.0 and do a review of kind of both of them at some point. So Vertx, give me a call. But I wanted a bag that was a little more professional looking, I guess, just for that everyday carry to and from work, and also to use when I was traveling for work. This is the Vertx Courier bag. I think it's was called the Courier bag. I don't think they make this exact bag anymore, which is really unfortunate. This is one of my favorite bags of all time. This is kind of a messenger bag style, or almost a briefcase style bag. And this was the bag I used going to and from work. Carried laptop, personal items. Absolutely love this bag. When I was at work, though, I used this bag. This is another Hazard 4 bag. This is the Hazard 4 Ditch bag. So this bag lived at work, went in and out of homes and on visits. And then I had my other bag that went to and from work that was a little more of my personal everyday items. So that's what I meant when I was talking about EDC items and how sometimes that bag changes depending on situation and where you're going. So those are all bags that I have been using as EDC bags. What am I using right now, and what am I actually carrying in my bag? So right now, this is the everyday bag that I'm carrying when I carry a bag with me. This is just a old Mountain Hardwear backpack, and I switched from a sling bag to a backpack when I started carrying a baby in a front baby carrier. A sling bag does not work when you have a baby strapped to your front. Can't pull the bag around to get into it. It's still possible to carry a backpack when you've got the front baby carrier on. So I started carrying my stuff in a backpack. Let's take a look at what's actually in the bag. What am I carrying with me? So honestly, this backpack is mostly empty. I know, surprising. If you look up EDC bag, if you search on YouTube for EDC bag, you will find all sorts of videos of like bug out bags, get home bags, people with stuff stuffed in their bags. That's not my idea of an EDC bag. if I'm carrying this with me every day, I only want stuff in here that I'm actually going to use. So let's see what stuff I actually have in the bag. So we'll start up here at the front. So here's what I keep. I carry a multi-tool. It's a Gerber multi-tool, a flashlight, a lighter, a couple of pens, sometimes a power pack for a phone, got a first aid kit. I've actually got 2 first aid kits in here, and we'll talk about first aid kits another time. But this is like a little backpack first aid kit that I can usually carry in my backpack. A little pocket first aid kit that I can take out of the backpack, stick in my pocket if I need to. And then just a lot of little odds and ends, some hygiene type things. So a comb, let's see, there's probably hand sanitizer, some cash. I probably got like $6, some fingernail clippers, chewing gum, earplugs, just little odds and ends that are useful to have. Usually I'll have a toothbrush, a dental floss. Those are pretty useful. Buy a little travel size toothbrush at the store, and then you can use it and throw it away. So a mask now. This is a thing. Sometimes I need to go in the grocery store and I can't go shopping without a mask. This bag has chargers for my phone, tablet, anything that needs charging cords, wall plug, headphones, that stuff goes in this little bag. So some other things that I will put in the bag, just when I need them, things like a tablet or a laptop. I'll stick a coat in here, water bottle. I might carry a pair of gloves, extra sunglasses, those types of things that just I don't need every day, but I might need depending on where I'm going. I have used my EDC bag for off-body carry of a firearm, and that's where I really love the Vertx bags, because they are made for that. On-body versus off-body carry is a topic for another video. It's a whole discussion in and of itself. I've also got in here a soft armor panel. This is a backpack body armor panel from Safe Life Defense. This is a 3A rated panel, so this will stop pretty much most handgun rounds, some shotgun rounds, I believe. This doesn't always go in the backpack, but sometimes this really isn't that heavy, so it's pretty easy to put in a backpack and just leave in there most of the time. And I'm generally not that worried about needing that, but I do have it, and I can stick it in pretty much any bag or backpack if I feel like I need it. That's pretty much it. That's my everyday carry bag. This isn't a bug out bag. This isn't a get home bag. This isn't a survive riot bag. This is just my bag of things that I need. It's just kind of that extension of that everyday carry. What are the things, the basics that I might need that I don't want to put in my pockets, I don't want to carry right on me, but I want to have with me or have available just on an everyday basis. If you liked this video, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of things you carry in your everyday carry bag. If you carry a bag, or if you think they're silly. If you've got friends who carry a bag or don't carry a bag, share this video with them. Let them know if they're doing it right or if I'm doing it right. If you want to see more of our videos, hit that subscribe button. See you next time back here at Factor 85 Labs. Diapers absorb sweat, right?